Hello guys, today I'll be speaking about my experience, customer service experience, pre-purchase experience, post-purchase experience with one of the genuine and honest bat manufacturers that I haven't faced or deal with till now. I saw their page called Cricket Bat Manufacturers on Facebook, and I was really amazed by the quality of the bats and the prices that were so competitive. And I was a bit skeptical of whether ordering it from them or not. But I think I made a good decision, and it was a very wise decision. I ordered a bat during this 15th Independence Day offer, and to be honest, the bat that was sent at the first bat tour or first initial day, initial time wasn't up to the mark. So when I say up to the mark, I didn't mean the quality or the bat or the experience of the bat, but what I feel is there was some communication gap between them, and hence the bat was not up to my expectations. So what do I mean by that? Let me elaborate on that. I ordered a bat of around 1080 grams, and by mistake they have sent me a bat of around 1200. So I was really furious. Reason being, I was ordering with them for the first time. Anyway, I had a skeptical in my mind that whether ये लोग bat भेजेंगे नहीं भेजेंगे, because online का बहुत सारा नाम तो सुना ही हम आप लोगों ने होगा, and not all of them have a cozy experience, but I let. So not only they have told me that they will be sending me a new bat against the bat which I have, and today I have received the bat. Let me also share that bat, the ping and the quality of the bat with you. Let me do an unbox for you. So this is the bat they have sent me. I also have that old bat with me, which is there with me. So what I told them is, okay, you send me the old bat, you send me a new bat, and then I'll send you the bat, because I was really curious about the initial experience that I have received. Okay, so this is the bat that I have received. So look at the width of this particular thing. Look at the grains. This is an ready-to-play English willow bat with a weight category of what I demanded or asked for. It's 1080 gram bat with a super quality. Look at the edge of the bat. Look at the quality of the, and they have not only sent me this bat, and what they have told is I can also keep the earlier bat which was sent to me during this offer. So that bat was also, when it comes to the quality of the thing, and it was up to the mark. The only thing that I had in mind was it was not up to my preferences. So this is where the customer service and the customer experience I had with them, I thought of sharing it with you. Cricket bat manufacturing, you can find them on Facebook. They are also there on Insta. And the person in contact, the single point of contact for this particular company is Aditya Sharma. So I had an amazing experience with them, with him in particular. He was very responsive to all the queries that I have raised. So Aditya, thank you so much. Thank you so much for sending this bat, and also giving me another bat as a complimentary gift. I thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best for you and your company. Keep up your good work. I am a lifelong customer of yours now. Thank you so much, and all the very best. Thank you.